In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 codes that can use to get cheap data from Glo. So if you are using Glo and you have been looking for how to get data at a very cheap rate, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 top secret codes that can use to get cheap data from Glo, and this will help to save you in the purchase of data. So make sure you watch this video to the end to be able to know those codes that can use to get data at a very cheap rate from Glo. If you are using other network, I've also done similar video on how to get this at a very cheap rate from other network like MTN, Airtel, and 9 Mobile. I'm going to attach those other videos to the description of this video. After you finish watching this video, you can check the description of this video to get access to this other video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. And if you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment on the comment section. So let's dive in. The first code to get free data from Glo is *777*1*1*2*5*. That is *777*1*1*2*5*1#. So let's dial it and see what can get with this code. With this code, you have 4 options that is available for you. The first option with 350 can get 1 GB of data and it will last for 1 day. The second option with 500 can get 2 GB of data to last for 1 day, then including 1 GB of data for night browsing, which is a total of 3 GB of data. Then the third option with 600 can get 3.5 GB of data for 2 days, including 2 GB of data for night. That's a total of 5.5 GB of data for 600 naira. Then the fourth option with 1000 can get 5.1 GB of data for 2 days, including 2 GB of data for night browsing. That will give you a total of 7.1 GB of data for 1000 naira. So this 1 GB of data is still less than 200 naira. So that is another good option that you can use to get cheap data from Glo. The second code that can use to get cheap data from Glo is *777*1*1*2*7#*777*1*2*2*7#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. So this code is for weekend plan and midnight browsing. So if you do a lot of work in the midnight from 12 AM to 5 AM, you can use this code to get cheap data that you can use for your midnight browsing. Then you can also use this code to get data that you can use for your weekend browsing, Saturday and Sunday. So the first option is for the midnight browsing. The first option with 16 can get 350 MB. You can use it from 12 AM to 5 AM in the night. The second option with 120 can get 750 MB. You can use it from 12 AM to 5 AM in the night. Then the second session is for the weekend plan. The first one that is available here with 200 I can get 875 MB to last for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Then the last option with 500 I can get 2.5 GB of data to last you for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So you can use any of these options to get data that you can use for your midnight browsing or for weekend plan. The third code that you can use to get cheap data from Glo is *1*2*5*1#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. With this code, you have 5 options that's available for you that you can make use of. The first option with 350 can get 1 GB of data. The second option with 500 can get 2 GB of data, including 1 GB of data for night browsing. That is 3 GB of data for 500. The third option with 600 can get 3.5 GB of data plus 2 GB of data for night browsing. The fourth option with 1000 can get 5.1 GB of data plus including 2 GB of data for night browsing. Then the fifth option with 1500 can get 6 GB of data for 7 days, including 2 GB of data for night browsing. So if you are going for the last option, which means 1 GB of data is still less than 200 naira, because 1500 will give you 8 GB of data. This is a very good option that can use to get data at a very cheap rate from Glo. The number 4 code that I can use to get data from Glo is *77*1*2*2#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. With this code, you have 4 options that's available for you. The first option, with 1000 I can get 2.6 gigabytes of data to last for 30 days, including 1.5 gigabytes of data for night browsing. That will give you a total of 4.1 gigabytes of data for 1000 naira. The second option, with 1 can get 5 gigabytes of data and to last for 30 days, including 3 gigabytes of data for night browsing. That will give you a total of 8 gigabytes of data for 1.5. Then the third option, with 2000 can get 6.1 gigabytes of data, including 3 gigabytes of data for night browsing. That will give you a total of 9.1 gigabytes of data and will last you for 30 days. Then the last option, with 2.5 you can get 7.2 gigabytes of data, including 3 gigabytes of data for night browsing. That will give you a total of 10.2 gigabytes of data for just 2.5. So you can use any of these options to get cheap data from Glo. So let's move on to the next code that I can use to get cheap data from Glo. The number 5 code that I can use to get cheap data from Glo is *777*1*2*5*5 *4#. So let's dial it and see what can get with this code. With this code, you have 3 options that is available for you. The first option, with 1000 I can get 4 gigabytes of data and to last for 30 days. The second option, with 5000 I can get 30 gigabytes of data, last for 30 days also. Then the last option, with 10,000 I can get 75 gigabytes of data, it will last for 30 days. Now the one that I normally go for is the one of 10,000 for 75 gigabytes of data. So let's do a little calculation to know how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost if you want to go for this option. 10,000 divided by 75. So 1 gigabyte of data will cost you just 133 naira if you are using this option, and this data will last you for a period of 30 days. So this is a very good option that I can use to get cheap data from Glo. The number 6 code that I can use to get cheap data from Glo is *777*1*2*6#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. So this code is for social bundle. So if you want to subscribe to your Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok and all the rest, you can use this one to do your social bundle subscription. The number 7 code that I can use to get cheap data from Glo is *777*1*2*5*3#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. With this code, you have 2 options that is available for you, and this code is mostly for hourly bundle. So if you want to do a quick work within an hour or 2 hours, you can use this code to get cheap data that I can use to do your work within that 1 hour or 2 hours. The first option that is available for you, with 200 I can get 500 MB and it will last for 1 hour. The second option, with 300 I can get 1 gigabyte of data, it will last for 2 hours. So the one that I prefer is the 300 for 1 gigabyte of data, it will last for 2 hours. So you can use this option to get cheap data that I can use to browse within 1 to 2 hours. The number 8 code that I can use to get cheap data from MTN is *312#. So that's *312#. Then you dial 7 app offer. So with this option, you can get free 100 gigabytes of data, bonus data from Glo. You dial 1. Only for new user, download and register Glo Cafe app and get 100 gigabytes of data, 75 gigabytes instantly. So you are going to get 75 gigabytes of data instantly after you download and register on the app. Then they're going to be giving you 5 gigabytes of data for 5 months. So that will give a total of about 100 gigabytes of data that they're going to give to you as a bonus that you can use to browse the internet for free. The number 9 code that can also get cheap data from Glo is *77*1*2*3#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. With this code, you have 3 options that is available for you. The first option, with 10,000 I can get 35 gigabytes of data and it will last for 30 days, including 2 gigabytes of data for 9. So that will give you a total of 40 gigabytes of data for 10,000 naira. The second option, with 15,000 I can get 64 gigabytes of data including 1 GB of data for 9 browsing. That will give you a total of 65 GB of data for 15,000 naira. Then the last option, with 20,000 you can get 107 GB of data, including 2 GB of data for 9 browsing, and this will last for 30 days. So let's say we are going for the last option, which is 20,000 naira for 109 GB of data. Let's do this calculation to know how much 1 GB of data will cost you. 20,000 divided by 109. 1 GB of data will cost you just 183 naira. So this is another good option that I can use to get cheap data from Glo. The number 10 code that I can use to get cheap data from Glo is *777*1*2*4#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. With this code, you have 7 options that is available for you. So this is mostly for heavy data users. So if you use data to run your daily activities or use data to run your business, you can use this code to get data that can use to do your subscription, that can use for your business or your daily activities. The first option that is available, with 25,000 you can get 135 GB of data to last for 30 days. The second option, with 30,000 I can get 165 GB of data to last for 30 days. The second option, the third option, with 40,000 I can get 220 GB of data. The fourth option, with 50,000 I can get 310 GB of data to last for 60 days, which is 2 months. The fifth option, with 60,000 I can get 355 GB of data, it will last for 90 days, that is 3 months. The sixth option, with 75,000 I can get 475 GB of data, it will last for 90 days, that is 3 months. Then the last option, with 150 can get 1000 GB of data, it will last for 1 year. Let's say we are going for the 150,000 now for 1 TB that will last for 1 year. Let's do this calculation to know how much 1 GB of data will cost you. 150 divided by 1000. So 1 GB of data will cost you just 115 naira, and this data will last for a whole 1 year. So this is another good option that you can use to get free data that you can use for your Glo, and this will last for a long period of time. So these are the top 10 codes that I can use to get data at a very cheap price from Glo. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification.